All right. So, how hard can it be to film myself making the perfect steak? I've been around the world, man. How hard can it be? First, let's start with some steak. Some good old New York strip steak. This should be pretty easy. Okay, but wait. What else do I need? Oh man. You know what? I should cut this off. I don't need you right now. I gotta focus. Okay, what do I need to do here? I got the steak. It's just freaking meat. It's so simple. How does Erica do it, man? Let's see. Instagram. Let's see. Maybe it's possible I could do it like this. Let's see. Looks good.
Marvin, what the heck are you doing?
I'm just trying to make the steak as good as you, babe.
Ay, papi, estás sobrepensando demasiado en eso. Let me show you.
Marvin. Okay, let me show you. First, you have to take it out of the bag.
So now you got it out the bag. Put a little bit salt. Now, try it.
Okay, watch this.
Okay, you got it, big boy. Good look.
Yeah, I got this. Wait. Okay. I know it's not the best, but I learned from you. Here, give it a shot.
Delicioso, baby.
You like?
Yeah.
Well, I learned from the best. But to be honest, I think I'm just gonna stick behind the camera and film the food rather than make the food. That's your area.
Okay, baby, pero siempre eres bienvenido en mi cocina.